Are you experiencing random recording stops with your Viofo A119 V3 dashcam, especially during loop recording? You're not alone. This video explains why this happens. The Viofo A119 V3, while popular for its 4K resolution and GPS, sometimes halts recording unexpectedly. We'll cover the main reasons: overheating, power fluctuations, SD card problems, and firmware bugs. Understanding these issues is the first step to fixing them. One primary cause of random stops is overheating. The A119 V3's processor can overheat, especially in hot climates or during prolonged use. This triggers a safety shutdown to prevent damage. To combat overheating, focus on better ventilation. Try mounting the camera in a shaded area to reduce direct sunlight exposure. Consider using a small USB-powered cooling fan directed at the camera to help dissipate heat. A real-world example shows this working effectively. A driver in Arizona fixed their stop issue by adding a cooling fan and improving airflow around the camera. Power fluctuations can cause the Viofo A119 V3 dashcam to stop recording unexpectedly. Inconsistent voltage from your car's power source is a common culprit. To ensure stable power, check your cigarette lighter socket or USB port for loose connections that might cause voltage drops. For even more reliability, consider using a dedicated hard wiring kit. This connects directly to your car's battery, providing consistent power and preventing sudden shutdowns. Your SD card plays a critical role in your dashcam's performance. Using an incorrect or low-quality card can directly cause those frustrating random recording stops. The SD card serves as the storage medium where all your dashcam footage is saved. If the card isn't performing properly, the camera may fail to write data quickly enough, leading to interruptions in the loop recording process. Specifically, the A119 V3 needs a Class 10 UHS-IN card with fast read and write speeds. Recommended options include Samsung Evo or SanDisk Extreme series, which provide the necessary performance to handle 4K recording without buffering issues. Counterfeit or inferior SD cards often have slower write speeds or poor quality control, which can cause data corruption and recording failures. Always purchase from reputable sources and verify the card's authenticity to avoid these problems. SD cards are rated by speed classes that indicate their minimum write speeds. For dashcams, look for UHS-1 with Class 10 rating, which provides at least 10 megabytes per second write speed necessary for smooth video recording. File corruption can accumulate over time and cause recording stops. Format your SD card regularly through the camera's settings menu, not your computer, to clear errors and maintain optimal performance. Countless users on forums like Reddit have shared success stories where switching to genuine, recommended SD cards completely eliminated their random recording stop problems, often within hours of the change. By choosing the right SD card and maintaining it properly, you can significantly improve your dashcam's reliability and avoid those frustrating interruptions. Outdated firmware can contain bugs that cause random stops. Make sure your A119 V3 is running the latest firmware version. Check Viofo's website for updates and follow the instructions carefully. Firmware updates often include fixes for power management and SD card handling, improving stability. Viofo's V3.0 and 3.1.2 updates addressed some core bugs, leading to a reported 30 to 40% improvement in stability for many users. Proper loop recording configuration can help prevent random stops in your Viofo A119 V3. Start by accessing the camera settings through the mobile app or camera menu. In the settings menu, make sure loop recording is enabled. This feature allows the camera to continuously record and overwrite older files automatically. Next, experiment with different segment lengths. Options typically include 1, 3, or 5 minutes. Shorter segments can sometimes minimize the impact if a single file becomes corrupted, as less recording time is lost. Finally, ensure the overwrite function is enabled. This critical setting allows the camera to continuously record without interruption, automatically replacing older video files when storage space runs low. Let's recap the troubleshooting steps for the Viofo A119 V3 random recording stops. First, check for overheating and improve ventilation. The dashcam can overheat in hot conditions, causing it to shut down unexpectedly. Mount the camera in a shaded spot, use cooling fans, and avoid extreme temperatures to maintain stable operation. Second, Ensure a stable power supply. Inconsistent voltage from your vehicle's battery can cause resets or halts. Use a high-quality cigarette lighter adapter, monitor battery levels, and switch to a dedicated power source if issues persist. Third, use a recommended SD card and format it regularly. Incompatible or slow SD cards lead to write failures and stops. Opt for premium Class 10 UHS-IN cards and perform regular formatting to maintain card health and prevent corruption. Fourth, update to the latest firmware. Bugs in older versions lead to abrupt halts. Check for and apply firmware updates through the Viofo app or website to resolve issues with thermal regulation and recording cycles. Finally, optimize loop recording settings. Configure shorter segment lengths and enable proper loop modes to manage storage efficiently and avoid memory errors that cause stops. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, from improving ventilation to optimizing settings, you can greatly minimize or completely resolve the random recording stop issues in your Viofo A119 V3. The future of dashcams focuses on improved reliability. Manufacturers are addressing the core issues like overheating and random stops through innovative technologies. Expect better heat dissipation materials and integrated cooling systems in newer models. This will prevent thermal shutdowns, especially in hot climates or during prolonged use. AI-driven power management will adapt to environmental variables, optimizing battery usage and preventing power fluctuations that cause random stops. Over-the-air firmware updates will become standard, allowing manufacturers to push fixes directly to devices without user intervention, reducing bugs and improving loop recording stability. Cloud-based backups will become standard, automatically uploading footage to secure servers, ensuring no data is lost even if the dashcam hardware fails or SD cards corrupt. These advancements will minimize random stops and ensure constant, reliable recording. Experts predict a 20 to 30% decline in user-reported issues as manufacturers prioritize reliability over features.